least the sunroof was open.
How they got out that way?
Great, forget it. Not an Audi.
Yeah.
That's a nice car.
Or a Hyundai.
You can see the rings sort of though.
That line down the side of the
Yeah, the two divers are right there, right? Yeah. Yeah. And then, is that a truck holding it out on the other side? Mr. Parchment.
Oh boy.
Come on, boat. You're right in the way of the action here.
Fire department. I guess that's part of the county taking care of it. Oh my God.
That'll buff out. You're going to see that in Miami for sale. Slight water damage.
2018 Audi A4, low miles, never raced.
All right, I'm going down the road where they pulled the car out of the water. I want to see how it happened. Maybe we can see some effects of it. I can see where they pulled it out, which is right here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to pull over, and we're going to take a look at the damage here. That's where the truck was pulled it out, I guess. All right, so here's the corner, and then we were filming from across the way, which is over there. This is where they pulled it out. Look at all that. I mean, they had to go straight up. Unreal. Look at all the tree damage. That's where it drug across the ground, and that was underneath it. That was stuck under the chassis of the Audi. And that's it.